Imagine a motorcycle that blends style, power, and agility into a compact, fun-filled package. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend adventurer, or someone looking for an exciting two-wheeled thrill, the 2025 Honda Grom 125 has something for you. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this incredible machine, from its stunning design to its punchy performance. Welcome to Drive Vibe. Let's get started. Introduction to the 2025 Honda Grom 125. The Honda Grom has long been a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts, beginner riders, and those looking for a stylish yet practical bike. Since its debut, the Grom has captured the hearts of riders worldwide with its playful character, compact frame, and surprisingly capable engine. The 2025 model takes everything great about its predecessors and improves upon it with refined aesthetics, upgraded features, and enhanced performance. Exterior design: a mini monster with big personality. At first glance, the 2025 Honda Grom 125 immediately stands out with its aggressive yet playful styling. Honda has given the bike a fresh, modern look while maintaining its iconic small stature. Bold new bodywork: the Grom now sports sharper lines and a more aggressive stance, making it look even more dynamic on the road. The redesigned fuel tank and body panels give it a muscular appearance. LED lighting: the 2025 model comes with an upgraded LED headlight, tail light, and turn signals, ensuring improved visibility at night while adding a premium touch. Customizable panels: one of the most exciting aspects of the new Grom is its modular bodywork, allowing riders to swap out panels and customize the bike to match their personality. Striking color options: Honda offers the Grom in several eye-catching colors, ensuring there's a style to suit every rider. Whether you prefer a classic black, a bold red, or a more vibrant shade, the Grom delivers. Ergonomics: comfort: a small yet surprisingly spacious. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Honda Grom 125 is designed for comfort. Honda has refined the riding position to accommodate riders of various heights. Revised seat design: the seat now offers better padding and improved contours, making long rides more comfortable. Wide handlebars: the wide, slightly raised handlebars provide excellent control, making city riding and tight turns a breeze. Foot peg placement: the foot pegs are positioned for a natural riding posture, reducing fatigue during longer rides. Lightweight and nimble: weighing in at just around 227 pounds, the Grom is incredibly easy to maneuver, making it perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. Handling: ride quality: a effortless control in every situation. One of the biggest reasons people love the Grom is its exceptional handling. Whether you're navigating city streets or having fun on back roads, this bike is a joy to ride. Responsive suspension: the 2025 model features a 31mm inverted front fork and an updated rear shock, providing a smoother and more controlled ride. Compact wheelbase: with a short wheelbase, the Grom is incredibly agile, making it easy to carve through traffic or take tight corners. Stable chassis: the lightweight yet rigid frame ensures stability at higher speeds while maintaining flexibility for maneuverability. Grippy tires: the bike comes equipped with wider 12-inch tires that offer great traction on different road surfaces. Technology features: a modern mini bike with big bike tech. Despite its size, the 2025 Honda Grom 125 comes packed with modern technology that enhances the riding experience. Digital instrument cluster: the updated LCD display provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip details. Keyless ignition: available in some markets, some versions of the Grom now offer keyless ignition for added convenience. USB charging port: a small but valuable addition, allowing riders to charge their devices on the go. Smart EQ: The engine control unit optimizes fuel efficiency and performance while maintaining Honda's legendary reliability. Customization. Aftermarket potential. Make it your own. One of the Grom's biggest selling points is its vast customization potential. Riders love modifying their bikes, and Honda has embraced this culture with a design that encourages personalization. Bolt-on body panels. Easily changeable body panels allow riders to swap out designs in minutes. Performance upgrades. The aftermarket community offers endless options, from exhaust systems and EQ tuners to upgraded suspension components. Style enhancements. LED underglow kits, custom seats, and unique decals let riders add their personal flair. Who is the 2025 Honda Grom 125 for? The beauty of the Grom is that it appeals to a wide range of riders. Beginners. With its slide-away design, low seat height, and forgiving power delivery, the Grom is an excellent choice for new riders. Commuters. Its fuel efficiency and easy maneuverability make it perfect for city commuting. Enthusiasts. Custom builders. The endless customization options make it a playground for motorcycle builders and hobbyists. Weekend fun seekers. Whether you want to hit twisty roads or just have a good time riding, the Grom delivers pure enjoyment. Final thoughts. Why the 2025 Honda Grom 125 is a must-have. Honda has once again delivered a bike that blends practicality with pure fun. The 2025 Honda Grom 125 is not just a means of transportation, it's an experience. With its stylish new design, improved performance, excellent fuel economy, and limitless customization options, it continues to be one of the most exciting mini motorcycles on the market. If you are looking for an affordable, reliable, and ridiculously fun bike, the Grom is the perfect choice. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first ride or an experienced rider wanting something lighthearted, the 2025 Honda Grom 125 is a machine that guarantees smiles per mile. Thank you for tuning in to Drive Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest motorcycle reviews and industry updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.